Okay, so OBS got disconnected somehow. Beautiful. All right, I'm reconnected. We're still looking at Expedia. It's up 1%. What am I doing? Damn, come on, Expedia. Yeah, I'm still like just flat on it. Green, but just flat. Like, it's gonna have like a killer quarter, but does that translate into like positive future expectations? All right, we're getting there. Probably not, though. Euro dollar trade still pretty much where it was. How we look in NASDAQ is it's approaching almost overbought, kind of neutral. 10-year yield, 2-year yield, definitely overbought. Take a shot on the long side of bonds if you wanted. Short, medium, long. I think that was the trade like right before the last FOMC meeting. And yeah. Dollar is overbought. Hence the euro dollar trade. Copper's overbought. Copper. All right, is copper... Copper is... oh. That is just bullish. This is my only short international paper company from Memphis. They make paper. What more do you want? Paper. They make the best paper. Paper, paper, paper. Get the tree, you make the paper. That's how this works. Ooh, wow. No. I need you to go up. I need you to go to 305 at least. 500 if you're asking overnight. Please. Damn, okay. Expedia pulling back. Yeah, fuck them. Red. It's just pulled back. top Wall Street strategist. Let's see, what is this fucking bullshit? A prominent Wall Street bear who's been advocating for a reduced stock position since the beginning of the year. So he missed out on everything. Has once again stepped into the fray. Who could it be? It didn't tell me. Mark Kolanovich issued a warning in a note released on Monday stating that the S&P 500's increasing level of stock concentration is a bubble. Yeah, I mean, this is the same story. That's how it always is. That's why you own the S&P. Or, if you really want to win, you just own fucking QQQ. Own, majority QQQ and then a little bit of, the value fucking passive investing, low fee ETF. Gonna trim a little Roblox. Yeah, Roblox was the shit when it first came out. I just moved. And I didn't have a couch. So I set up a desk. And I played. I just found out about Rao Pal. So I just played a video game. Or no, he was talking about video games and transacting with currency, with fiat currency for the stuff in the video game. So virtual world stuff that could be material, I guess, if you wanted it at some way, kind of like a online marketplace. Yeah, like a fun group online game or a fun group game. Like nothing beats it, So, yeah. That was sick. That was a lot of fun. I missed it. That big gap up while I was playing on the platform, so that sucks. But whatever. Okay, I'm up 30 basis points. This is wonderful. It's a hefty chunk of change right there in the account, which is always good to see. Do we have anything new at the top? Silver. Just ripping. Mountain Pass is probably where... Alright, I'm going to sell out. I'm going to close out of Mountain Pass. It is oversold. It's overbought on the 1 hour. So I'm out. Nice gain. let's see. The hell? Why is my broadcast? Whenever I look on YouTube, my broadcast is like slow. Okay, but let's see what's going on X. Thirsty. All right, 7:18. What was I was going to watch. What? I was gonna check on. So on the tab, it's still Twitter.com. But yeah, I was gonna listen to live market talk. See what these dumbasses have to say. These fucking guys that like risk it all. Oh, I don't know. Can X handle it? Damn. Alright. Twitter's having a hard time today. Doesn't look like Twitter's gonna load a space for me. I'll try it one more time. Normally I like the spaces with like 400 people in them, especially if they've got a couple people that I follow that have like 6 to 15,000 followers. You can typically get a lot of good information out of those people. Up 29 basis points. Okay, Twitter cannot help me. What are we gonna do about it? American Express is up. These guys are gonna crush it, right? Like, people got a lot of money. Fuck. I'm down 4% on Meta. Damn, it's going back down, but it's like at the bottom of the range, but like this kind of weakness, but it's like it's at the low end of the range, but it could test it. So it's like a little bit above, but it's it's down there. It's not far from, I guess, changing trade, like the trend of the trade, since the trade seems to be more of a short-term name for time, for a time frame, short term, a trade, because a trade kind of implies you're going to be in and out, or you are going to be ultimately not the end user, I guess. That's how I think about a trader. You know, think about some merchant in the ancient days in a port city with his shop set up, sitting there with both arms going, hey, come on, deal with me. You know, someone who's looking to just warehouse something for a brief period of time and then offload it at a convenient time. And that's the business model. So Meta is like at the low end of the range where may go up. But I'm not going to fixate on it. Damn. Expedia's trying to come back to the high. Okay, where can I find some like live talk? Fuck. Ron DeSantis was in a car accident. No injuries sustained. Alright, what's new? What's new? What we got for ETFs? That one doesn't want to work for whatever reason. Okay, for stocks, we're still signaling JetBlue, Spotify, Delta, and Alaska Air. I would buy Delta, and that's probably it out of those. Darden Restaurants looks like a good. Darden is oversold. Darden is pretty oversold. I'm gonna take a shot because if we have food inflation, they can pass it on, I think. Okay, so let's fucking go 16 fucking cent spread. Bullshit. Alright, so I'm looking to buy, so I'm gonna need to go a little higher. Give them a good deal. Cool. I am in at 167.39 in Darden restaurants. I am up 33 basis points. This is but a dream. Okay, we are getting some hedges. Getting some hedge callouts. SMN is the materials sector short, and then the semiconductor short. Yeah, fucking nice calculation here, Thinkorswim. Just real helpful. So XS semiconductor bearish one. Let's check out SMH. I mean, problem with both of these is like you're potentially short. Well, you're definitely shorting a bearish trend with semiconductors. With materials, excuse me, you're shorting a bullish trend with semiconductors if you do that now. Materials, it is, you've got the green arrow there, so this is bullish trend. So yeah, I mean, it's getting harder to find shorts at the moment. I suppose utilities are a good short. Maybe Tesla. Amcor, which is another paper or plastic company, kind of like IP, International Paper. Amcor is definitely at a spot where I would short it. Long screeners. PACCAR, construction machinery and heavy transportation equipment, down 4%. That's not bad. Fuck. Yeah, I'm already late to the party. I missed that. I missed the bottom of that candle. I'm gonna hold off on it. Yeah, so they beat earnings. This is definitely one that I am pretty sure the hedge eye analyst likes on the long side. Oh no, I'm down. I'm down on the portfolio. I'm only up 27 basis points from up 32. Devastating. How do we look? Livent and Pure Cycle are still the only ones that are overbought in my portfolio. Silver's knocking on the door. American Express is kind of close. I think it's going to go higher right about now. Yeah, I have a big position in American Express right now. And I'm looking to offload half of it. Euro dollars down a little bit more from where I bought. Crude is overbought. Copper's overbought. Crude is bullish trend though, so right. Yup. Crude is bullish, so I did short it via ERY, but I closed out of that. Guess I got it right. Damn, it just squeezed higher. So I guess I got in and out right before that. Do I still have my Schlumberger? Oh, hell yeah, I am up. Sweet, I'm up 97% on some Schlumberger August 4th calls. $60 calls. Should I dump it? I gotta sell some. Yeah, I gotta reduce my calls. Okay, so I only got 3. That's fucking lame. Tight. Oh God, there's the neighbor. But don't make eye contact. Can you see the neighbor? No. Lifetime leisure facilities. What does this company do? Most sustainable. Is this the gem? Lifetime? Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, fitness stock, okay. What the hell? Why is this so branded so shittily? Okay, so that is like oversold. But it's down 13%, but it's like at the bottom of the range. Yeah, I don't know. I assume if you think the consumer is going to weaken, then this is probably not a great stock to own right now. So I can only be in the seat for about 5 more minutes, and then I'll kind of be in and out. And then I'll be out of here at 8:15, which I guess would be 11:15 East Coast time. Yeah, gotta go work for someone else. And that's why we trade, so we don't have to. I can hear my neighbor. I think the neighbor just sneezed. Robot. 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 Huh. Why is this? I mean, I guess it should be a publicly traded company, I guess. I mean, but it's, I don't know, it seems like. Do they sell? I mean, yeah, like they lose money. Maybe they didn't in the past. Yeah, why is this a publicly traded company? And this is about 12% fucking gap down, yeah. So that's not something that I would trade. iRobot, 13% gap down. Amazon lowers the merger price. Okay. Right, like why is this company public is my question. Good to know someone else thinks the same way. Alright, no ETFs. Darden Restaurants is still signaling to buy. Industrial short still signaling. I'll take a look at it. Well, this is funny because I bought XLI earlier this morning, and now my hedge screener is telling me to buy the inverse ETF of the industrials, so that's pretty funny. I will probably just stick long with my XLI position. Industrials are pretty damn bullish, with probably fundamentals that are breaking down or going to soon, since the ISM report hasn't been great. But there is the argument that some things in the economy, it's better to look at absolute rather than relative. So sometimes it's better to look at absolute number rather than percent change. I'm not trying to argue that either, but it seems like sometimes you got to be a little flexible with how you think. Okay, so the NASDAQ has come alive today. The Qs are up 41 basis points, 40 basis points. Okay, 7:45. Qs are pulling back a little bit. So American Express is shortest term overbought. Can I get out? Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm going to reduce my American Express position by half. Going to sell the highest cost, and that should give me a small profit on that trade. And it did. 50 cents per share. Not much. But hey, I'm up 32%. 32 basis points. 32% would be dope. This is my worst position at the moment. OPK. It's a Floridian company from Florida. Sunny Florida. Some sort of healthcare, diagnostic, and pharmaceutical company. Yeah, it was down 10% yesterday. I think I bought when it was down 5%, and then it went down another 5%, so that killed me. Alcoa. Alcoa is signaling to short it. Maybe. Maybe. Let me get back to OPK. Doesn't look great. I'm unfortunately close to a 1% position on it, and I'm down 6%, so that sucks. 5.8%, thank goodness. It's my worst position by far. Meta's my second worst, and that's down, about 4%. That one's a big one. But the OPK, healthcare is an inflation hedge, so it's bullish. It's at the low end of the range, so I guess I would buy again today. Take it above 1%. Could probably, since it's like such a small stock, you could probably it'll probably work out. Not much going on at this point. We always get to this point. Okay, one more screen, one more run through the screens. Okay, for my stock screener, PACCAR is the only one that's signaling buy. Why did I hold off on it? PACCAR. It's kind of an industrial material. Construction machinery. Machinery. That burp hurt my chest coming up. Okay, PACCAR. Well, now it's gone. That's a big fucking, like, candle. I guess it was down 8% earlier? 10? Almost 10. I'll watch it. Okay, one more scan. Lamb Weston. That might be a good idea. That is it. Fuck, look at that range. What in the shit? So they beat earnings expectations and now it's sold off. I'm going to buy it because they can pass on food inflation. That's a shit spread. 107.75, so let's give them a good deal. 107.79, give it to me. Got it. Got it at 107.79 and then it just popped up. Yeah, there's the chart. So yeah, I took a shot on that. It's oversold. Oversold on the daily, which either means it's about to fucking puke and I'm gonna lose some money, or it's about to bounce, which I think it will, because it's pretty oversold. Pretty oversold. Keep working our way through the screener. iRobot, nope. Lamb Weston, yep. Lifetime Group, nope. Alaskan Air Group, nope. Okay, so those are my longs. Hedges, the materials hedge. Fuck it, why not? Why not? I mean, it's a good screener. It's a good screener. Typically not wrong. All right, 50 basis points into SMN. Oh, need to make it a little bigger. There we go. 50 basis points into SMN. So I went long industrials, not materials. This is the materials sector short. Right, that's it. In terms of shorts, Graphic Packaging, it's a new paper company, International Paper, short that. Golden Ocean Group is a marine transport. I guess you could short that. I don't know anything about it. I'm not going to look at it. Maybe. Okay. Well, here it is. Yeah. I don't know. There's that paper company. Short that one, I guess. Oh, I don't know. That looks. Well, I mean, that's. I don't know. The indicator says bearish. International paper. Yeah. I mean, whatever. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. What do I need to trim? Japan's getting close. I wish American Express would get there. Did I already cut that one? I did. I did. Good. Okay, I did. 30 basis points. I am up 30 basis points. Guess there's not much to do before work. Yeah. Guess we'll just fucking. Oh, there we go. Okay, so euro dollar. Let me put that on my watch list. Okay, so it is above where I bought it. So that's tight. If it well, I would look forward to buying it again if it sold off some or showed me an oversold signal on the shortest term because it's medium term. It's short term oversold, but I want to know if it's like shortest term oversold. As long as it's short term oversold, then I'm gonna get long anytime it is shortest term oversold. You know, and maybe I'll get lucky and I'll get a big enough position in euro dollar. Maybe I'll get a big enough position that I can actually ride it back up to like 1.127, 1.128, you know? Some dog barking in the neighborhood. Still haven't bought Packard. I'm watching it. I don't know. Oh my. Packard looks a little better right now than it did. But it looked the best immediately at the open. I'm gonna hold off. I don't fucking know. I don't like it. But 8:01 West Coast time. Time to face the realization of the day. Time to go work for someone else. I am up 32 basis points, which is a great day. I'm going to raise more cash. I'm going to raise more cash and stuff. Okay. Livent. What are you? Material. Livent is a materials company. I'm a little too big in them. I'm up. That's good. I'll sell half. Most expensive. There we go. Okay, great. Okay, so Livent's up 5%. And I'm out. I'm down. Well, I'm not out. I'm down to just below a 1% position. And I'm up 4% on that. I realized a small loss on what I just got out of, but it's fine. I don't want that much exposure to this. Okay, so gold is, oh sweet. Okay, so AAAU, the Goldman Sachs physical gold ETF, that just triggered bullish just now. But it's at the top of the range, so I wouldn't buy it. And in fact, I would maybe trim it, but yeah, I got some to trim. I'm up 1.32% on maybe 150 basis point. I don't know, whatever. Not that big in gold at the exact moment right now, but I want to be. I'm gonna sell a little bit. Get the highest cost ones the hell out of here. That'll improve my cost basis. Now I'm up 2% on that position. I'll be looking to get bigger when it sells off. But that's cool. 8:05. Gotta get the day started with a Diet Dew. Spotify, Alaska, Packard, Lamb Weston. Lamb Weston's going down a little bit. Little bit from where I bought it. I'm down 28 basis points on it. 29, 32. Wow, cool. Fuck me. Meta, a little better. OPK still sucks. Healthcare. Just remind myself it's healthcare. Healthcare's an inflation hedge. XLY. What does that look like? XLY is in a tricky spot. Okay. Looks like it's cheap to hedge, so I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna realize a loss on XLY. Damn, $2.73 loss per share. But it looked kind of dead, so we're gonna drop it. Chewy, that's fine. It's at the absolute bottom of the range. OPK at the bottom of the range. Pinterest. How big am I? Fuck, 1%. Down a little bit. Fine. ITA I bought today. EPV Europe short. I'm gonna dump it. EPV. I'm gonna dump it for a 56 basis point profit. It's down today. I like it. I like the idea. I like shorting Germany and France. I don't know if now's the time. Okay, so I'm gonna dump Coupang. Damn, it smells like fucking sulfur up in here all of a sudden. Lilium. This is a German, like, EV fucking helicopter company. Alright, what else can I sell? Blackberry. Yeah, I'm gonna dump that. It's not showing any strength right now. Okay, so I'm gonna be out for a 1.5% gain on Blackberry. Cool. Lilium, it's at the bottom of the range. Bank loan, that's a fucking bond, that's fine. American Express, yeah, you fucking crested, didn't you? Fuck, Expedia, come on. I guess I'll get bigger on Expedia. I mean, shit, I don't know. Everything else looks pretty good. SDP. What is SDP? Why do I own it? Utility short. Okay. I'm good with that. I have a pretty significant short position in SDP. I'm long SDP, which in fact is short utilities. Alright, did Zoom Info just pop up? Zoom Info, interactive media. It's at the bottom of the range. Good spot to take a shot. Zoom Info. Good spread. Okay. A little bigger than 50 basis points. Yeah, I gotta go. See, be back tomorrow.